सबसे पहले बात करते हैं टॉपिक या फिर रेफरेंस फोटो की। इस आर्ट कंपटीशन के लिए जो टॉपिक या फिर रेफरेंस फोटो है वो है मेरा ये रिसेंट आर्ट वर्क।
Let's do it. So these are my pencils. So now I'm using 7B mechanical pencil for the outline of the hair. So in the step 1, make the outline properly. Make every stroke that you see and make it exact direction as you see in the reference. So now it's time for the step 2. So you have to make the strokes one more time, but this time you need to use the soft charcoal pencil. Soft charcoal pencil is much darker than the other charcoal grades. So use it and make the stroke as you see in the reference. So now it's time for blending. So for blending, I am using tissue paper? No. I am using blending stump? No. So I am using my fingers. So let's start the blending. Apply some pressure on your finger to get smooth result and blend it completely. So much dirty. Now it's time to add some highlights. So for the highlights I am using my Tombow Mono Zero eraser. Erase the highlight as you see in the reference. Erase it with the soft hands. So let's see the final result. Let's go. So guys, I hope that you liked the result and hope you have learned something. So take care. Goodbye.